Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can change ratio aspect in CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your CapCut app. So once your CapCut app gets opened up, you can select any project or start a new one. Then simply scroll on the options given below and choose the ratio option. So once you choose the ratio, you can simply choose any of the kind of ratio you want to use for your video. So once you choose you can simply tap on your video and then you can use your fingers to resize your video according to the aspect ratio. So this is how you change aspect ratio in your CapCut app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.